reshaping the face of the planet. For the last 50 years, we've been turning what if into watch this. Pushing the boundaries of engineering, setting the bar for reliability. We've turned the old into the new and the impossible into done. But in a world that's changing at breakneck speed, we have been transforming too. Hitachi Construction Machinery is about to enter a future defined by our customers' experience. Hey Landcros, take over. Not just a new name, a new way to approach the construction site. This is where operators become pilots, where control feels like play, and machines start to come alive, becoming your partner in a new digital ecosystem. We're changing our name and changing the game. But our culture, our heritage, and our quality will remain unchanged. And the transformation has already started.
Engage transition phase. Landcros 1. Landcros Connect. Landcros Fit. Official name change initiated.
You are part of a very special future. A future enhanced by open source solutions. A future supported by the best digital solutions providers. A future of next-level customizations. In the last 53 years, we've built the world and built our customers' trust. Now it's time to show them an experience no one else in Europe can, by building something revolutionary. Landcros, solutions beyond machinery.